So the elements on the control side here, we've discussed the bridge and the construction, and we've talked briefly about control and how this automatic bridge is controlled using the controller. Now, just to explain that there are two motors and they're plugged in here and here. These are motor control ports here. Flogo can control two motors. We have a total of 6 outputs here, not 8, 6 outputs, of which we have a green light, a red light and a buzzer, which are down that end of the bridge. They're connected to outputs. And then on the input side we have the magnetic sensor I talked about before, number 1, magnetic sensor number 2, and number 4 is the switch. So that's the connections to the interface box, and the process is this. We want a bridge that one person can see a ship coming down the Thames or river and say, we need to warn the motorist not to go on the bridge, we need to sound an alarm, and then wait for a little bit for the bascules, the two parts of the bridge here, to open, then stay open long enough to allow the ship to go through, close automatically, and then the green light to show when they're closed to allow motorists and pedestrians access to the bridge once more. So, having written this program, and we'll have a look at that, as I say, in a minute, we'll check the parts of the program, the elements that go to work together in modules to produce this program. So a ship is coming down the river. The bridge master himself, who's in charge of this bridge, presses a button, buzzer sounds, red light, ship goes through the bridge, down the river. The bascules close, green light and buzzer sound saying it's safe to cross. Simple software, simple program, but the elements to control and make that bridge work are quite complex, as we'll see in the actual software itself.